Okay guys, good afternoon. Today on Customer States What? I'm freaking disgusted. This customer only wants the spare tire on. We have another God's gift to the freaking world, another Prius owner. And Technician B, what the hell do we freaking find in the spare tire carrier area?
Man wants to put a spare tire on, right? We lift it, first second, boom. Look at that. Nasty, dude. First nest, second nest. When I lifted it, dude, it just like puffed up into the air. There was an airlock in here.
Oh, that's disease right there.
It's just disgusting. Dude,
that's all piss.
What makes you think I want to touch that tire? Do you see that tire right there? What makes you think I want to touch that?
The spare tire is going to be full of and piss.
Yeah, look over here. It's covered in it.
I hate my job. I'm not even working on this car and dude, I hate my job. There's even more in there.
Oh my god.
All right, what I want you to do is I want you to go to parts. I want you to get a mask on.
Yeah.
I want you to take all their freaking disease out of their freaking cargo area and get a trash bag, cut a hole in it, and put your head freaking through it so at least some of your body is covered. And even though I'm filming right now, I'm 100% serious about this. All right.
Oh yeah, dude. I'm all set. I wanna.
So here we go. Got Technician B in here, covered up with a trash bag and mask. Little fifle or two holes come out. Oh my god, look at that and piss.
Look underneath it.
Oh, back it up slowly, back it up slowly. Oh, they've been in here for quite some time now.
Gonna go right here.
Oh.
I'm sorry, but I don't even want to touch that wheel. I don't even want to touch that thing that's holding it down there.
Well, you got the gloves on, dude.
I know. Ugh.
Get at it.
Here, look, it's grease. Oh, thank God it's loose.
This car smells.
I bet.
It smells so
I'm
bad.
glad I can't smell a thing, dude. I don't even want to know how far they've made it into this car.
They probably made it in. They're probably underneath the seat watching you right now.
Sitting in the vents.
Be careful. Oh my god. And you know what? You know what the worst part is? They don't even care that all this stuff is in here.
Nope.
So you know what? It's gonna stay right there. I'm sorry. They don't care that it's here. They don't want to know that it's here. Whatever. I don't know. It might be one of their freaking pets.
But this is disgusting.
Alright, so we got the spare on. We still got to mount it up, really. We got the customer's crapola back in there. Technician B here is going to disrobe from the biohazard that is this freaking car. Please, guys, just be aware what's in your car, man. That's not even in the engine bay. That's in the interior. So they probably got in from the engine bay, made it all the way back here, and now freaking fifle in two holes. They got two freaking condos in the back area of this Prius.
And don't forget, they probably have their summer house up front.
Oh yeah, you didn't. They declined the multipoint. So
we haven't even looked anywhere else, dude. We literally just looked at that one tire.
And that's all they're here for.
Yeah. Guys,
if you go to a dealership, man, even just for a spare tire, the multi-points are free. All right, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content, and yeah, man, just take the free multi-point, will you?